Hello guys, welcome to Live to Coding channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to earn money online by typing captchas on online. And you can type using your PC, or you can even use your Android phone or mobile phone to get money online. So let's start. Please do subscribe on my channel and click on the notification icon to get latest video updates. And for this you need to go to Google and type to captcha. Okay, to captcha.com, and from here you can see the rate. Here is the rate for the reCAPTCHA. For per 1000 reCAPTCHA you will get around $1, and it might be, if you're experienced and or work for a longer time, then you might also get $2 for reCAPTCHA things, and for the normal captchas you might get around 30 to 50 cents. So now we need to register that. Type in your email address, then password, then type the captcha. Okay, then click register. And here it is, the window. As you are a worker, so I'm a worker, can go to next. And here is your dashboard. From here you can see the earnings here, and then you need to go to start work. And here you can see the normal captcha, and the normal rate is lower, and the reCAPTCHA normal rate is higher than the normal one. So for that we just only go to the normal one and then start. So you can see that if you type any kind of wrong things, you will get the information, because it's the training. They're mainly training you that how you should write that. And if it is not a captcha, you can see that if it is not a captcha, then you need to press Alt plus Q, or just click here. It, and that is the full complete, so it is the training period, and then you need to start. Okay, and to start that you need to click I agree with terms and then click start. Then you need to type that you know English, because these captchas are basically in English, so you need to do that. I confirm everything is correct, and then you can choose normal captcha, reCAPTCHA plus normal captcha. I think it would be better to start with the normal captcha right now, because if you are a beginner, so you should start with that, and then you move to the second one. And 8101, okay, 8B8J, sorry. It's not a captcha, right? So you need to click here, then BH9B4. Like to show you that my dashboard. And here you can see that for the typed captcha I earn around 10064. And if you just start doing that, you can easily earn money from this thing. And here is some payment option, payout option. Here are the payout options. Okay, you can use web money, Payza, perfect money, Bitcoin, advanced cash, coins.ph, uphold.com, and Coinbase, other things. And you need to fill up that form to get the money. And that's the thing, that's how it works. And another thing is that if you want to work with your Android phone, here you can see that there is some mobile interface here. Here is the mobile interface. You can also start here like this way, going to your mobile and going to this, or you can just go to here and then enter your email ID or the login ID and password and start working. You can even work with your PC like this way and download this application. And here you will find your API key. You need to download it. So just open it and extract it, captcha box, and just run it. And here from here you need to copy your API key, copy it and then paste your API key here and click OK. And here you will get some more advanced captcha things, and this will give you some more money. So street science, sorry, and this will give you some more money, and you can also see the money here. And if you just cannot do it so fast, it will stop you. That's the way. And here you can see that the balance for this session is around 1001 for the captcha that I have done, right? And these are mainly the reCAPTCHA, and their rate is much higher than the normal captcha. And if you want to earn more money, I think you should use the reCAPTCHA thing of this. Just download it here and give your API key for in that software and start working, and it will give you more money than the normal captcha. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Hope this helped. Thank you.